What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle Channel.
What are you doing today, Chase? What are you doing?
Today, me and Biggs and World Boss here. It's a nice day outside, so as you can see, I have a chicken here. So you know we're gonna put some jerk chicken on the grill. We got some corn that we're gonna put on the grill too, and a piece of yam and a sweet potato. So right now, I'm here just to go and clean up that one chicken here. World Boss in the house getting all the seasoning blended and sorted out so we could just get it done right away. He's almost done with that, so you're gonna see that in a little bit. We got Big behind the camera breathing hard as usual. You already know.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, from that, people, it's a good vibe out here as usual. Finally, Big show up back in the next vlog. You know, he's been missing for a while.
Yeah, because he was in Jamaica.
Yeah, right. So I get them giant bird that one bird and I'm people are 7 pounds, you know, so you know, I don't know. Light chicken, this is a heavy chicken. Get him sliced up right. Season up. Nice and easy. Remember, my people, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep the channel growing. Where's the Bigs? We growing now. How much subscribers we got so far?
But to hit 1,000.
Yeah, we're trying to hit 1,000, but right now we at what, 702, I think, the last time I checked.
Yeah.
That's good, people. So thanks for the support. I hope y'all keep supporting us, and I hope you like the content.
Yo, you got to do a giveaway. I want 1,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah, 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna do a little giveaway, do a little cook up too.
Yes, sir.
Whoever's in our area, you know, could come hit us up. Eat some of the good food. Tell us what you think. You know what I mean? And people like our jerk, we're gonna jerk it. We're gonna do it like this. Get some holes in there so when we rub on that seasoning, because it's not gonna be soaking for long. Because we're gonna cook it right away. So when you do this, it soaks quick. Big, they say cut this again?
Yeah, hell yeah. It's way too big.
Nah, nigga. I ain't gonna actually cut it. I'm gonna just slice it so it soaks. Breasts are fatting on my people. Same treatment with the wing and the breast. You gotta put some holes in there. Get him right. So stay tuned. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna get it washed up. So stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Alright, my people, so we got the chicken all cut up, so we're gonna go ahead and get it washed off. Put some water in there. You know we outside, so we're using the outside pipe. Go ahead, get some water in there. Also, we got
World Boss! Say what up to the camera. Oh, shit.
We got the water over this goddamn table everywhere. Okay, that's that. Alright. I'm gonna use a lemon to wash it off. No vinegar on it today, people.
Buena.
So we outside, so we use natural shit from outside.
So we're using lemon.
We just pick these lemons off the tree down by the store. Okay? Well, boss, I say season activate. People, so we'll get this wash off. Real nice. Then we're gonna go ahead and get it seasoned up. Real boss on his way with the seasoning, so stay tuned for that part.
Let's see what World Boss bringing. Yeah, why you heading the beard, bro?
Drop everything for it.
Oh shit. Yeah, making sauce.
Alright people, we are going out now with a good season, jerk season, freshly made.
What are you putting there?
You got local jerk season, you got onion, scallion, garlic, bell pepper, hot pepper,
A little bit of
a
everything.
little bit of everything, all type of seasoning in there.
Ghost pepper.
Oh, we didn't get the ghost in this one. But we got that purple pepper in there, a black pepper. Which one is that, buddy?
Scotch one is the black one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit is dead. I don't even like that.
One of that dirty there. We are going, people. Go on our skin. So everything get a coat. It's a big smell. What do you say? What do you smell?
Smell nice.
Go eat right now.
Hell yeah.
I hope look like jerk season pan yam.
Hey, Slacy.
Rub some jerk season on the yam. And the sweet potato.
Wrap it up in a paper. We good to go.
Go and get the grill active up same time and people.
Sure.
Yeah, I know how it goes. Big job active up the camera.
Every individual piece get a little season right.
Yo, I drop the leaf on the neck and sitting in there.
I seen that shit.
You gotta get everything get me eaten today.
I see that. Alright, break, get that closer. See how it look. Well, season right.
Oof.
Tell
Fire.
the people, fire everybody.
Big.
What up?
Over here getting the grill ready, bro.
You know how to do it? You need help?
Oh, go in here.
You sure? I could teach you how to do it, Jace.
People. I get them cold already. Next time you see this grill, it gonna be lit.
Yes, sir.
People active. So I'm telling us I wanna see about this fire blaze. What the fire do? Blaze. Real boss, how you do over this one?
Yeah, fuck with the phone and try to hit the password.
Chicken over here soak, you know, people. You can't see it because you're on a cover up.
Well, wrap.
Corona pull up for sip up. Active up.
ready yet?
Bigs over this one lazy up.
Waiting
Yo,
for his fucking food,
tape
bro.
out that name there for your toe tag.
Yo!
Alright, my people. Meanwhile, the grill are going light. I'm here cutting up some 4x4 because I'm going to build a garden in my backyard.
Yeah, I can't wait to see
And
that.
I gotta put some fence around it because them little rabbits and stuff will eat all my vegetables. So I'm here cutting some posts to build my garden. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm building my garden too. So right now I'm getting the post cut up because I just got these posters today. These are some 4x4s. So we just here getting them all cut up.
So make sure to subscribe.
It's a small saw, so you can't go all the way through the board. We gotta flip it. Bend it down, boss. Bring it down.
Yeah, bring it down like that, go.
Got any help? Rookies. If it was me, I'd do that shit the first try.
When you just use your mouth and talk.
Yeah, these people are
Alright,
rookies.
Stay tuned, people. So we just getting these cut up.
Nah. They're gonna keep watching.
Don't waste my video time.
Yo.
That's supposed to be enough. Run out the garden. So in the next video, not this one, y'all gonna see when I'm putting up my garden. Plant my plants
Alright, let's get to the real good show here.
for the summer.
Yeah, come over here.
Why people on know already who come for them belly, you know? Y'all know who come for them belly. Remember, that put this. Put them roof in the white. Where's it? Fat charcoal ready, Biggs?
Hell yeah. Come, let's go.
Fuck.
Yeah, you live right now, Chase.
Alright, my people. Putting some jerk chicken on the grill.
Of course, I see some half of that shit.
The man over here who only care about his belly over there with the camera.
Of course.
Should have been recording when I was putting on the chicken, see? He started recording when I put on all the chicken already. Cameraman slacking. Jermaine, what we gonna do with him, Sam?
Make sure to subscribe. Tell a friend. What's that?
Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. He don't even know what to do.
Yes, sir. I drank like 3 beers, so you know. My English, I start forgetting my English when I drink beers.
Oh, God.
Biggs, what is that?
Nothing for you.
What do you mean? That look good.
There's a chicken inside, bro. You want chicken inside?
Hell yeah, that's the best part.
Alright, my people, that's the chicken. You got the whole chicken right there. We're also gonna put these on there.
Yes, sir.
Sweet potato, yellow yam, bumbo clot.
That's not
Put the
included.
price tag on it, and a piece of white yam. Actually, put these over here. More fire on this
Wait,
side.
I thought you were gonna cut it in like in half cheese, no?
No, you're gonna let it roast like that. Then later.
Oh.
We got some corn too, we're gonna put on it. So everything we're eating today is off the grill. Okay, compadres? Everything is off the grill today.
Shout out to Mike. Yo, give a shout out to my son Mike, Chase.
Big up, Mike. I don't know how you saying Mike's his son. Mike's a hard worker.
What are you trying to say, bro?
It don't even make sense, bro. Alright, my people. Make that go and simmer down. Check in back later when we flipping them chickens.
Look at this guy. Where are boss? What are you doing? Yes, sir. Vix,
Yo,
you're not gonna go help Ellie?
we live in America, so we got drugs from car wash. Why you don't go help him?
Bro, I'm doing my job. My job is just to eat and record.
Alright, my people, check in back when
Food is ready.
we're gonna flip them chickens up. Active up, my people. You know, see what I got on chicken at the grill? Some bun up chicken.
Oof.
Bun up chicken and some roast corn.
Fuego.
Then I start soak it right here. They're not even fully catch color yet, you know, my people. It's just coming along. You know what I mean? This is just a look for now. Till we cool them off later. People, I don't think gonna eat this thing, you know.
Let me try it out.
This is the liver. Grab that part over there. Chicken liver, papa.
Fire.
Soft.
Literally.
Nice. Want to feel it around?
Yeah.
Move your bum.
I'll take this part. Give me a shit.
You want a piece more?
Oh, we don't need that.
I ain't giving you all of that shit. Hold it. Active.
It's a big turtle.
Spicy. Bombo clutches. Yo.
Wet him up, my people. Wet him up. Heat him up.
What was it? Oh, that was a beer?
You call this Corona jerk chicken. Nothing
Yeah.
like the good old Corona.
Let me get that part.
That's not ready yet. Give it a couple
Yeah, that's
more
ready,
minutes.
bro.
Alright. Stay tuned. Next time you see this chicken, it's coming off the grill.
It's gonna be in my mouth.
As you can see, the food is slowly roasting too. They're not roasting as fast as we expected, but they're coming along. The corn could eat right now. Gonna take those off in a few as well. Well, boss, you said fully active.
Fully active. People almost ready if you come off a fire.
You said Biggs, ready for you?
Oh,
Alright.
always ready.
Active, man. Alright. Active now, people. Look what's going on over here.
They're
Bring it
ready
up.
to
Let 'em see what's
inject.
up. These chicken are soaked well nice. These are ready to come off too. Everything is ready to come off except we put a chicken breast up there, so that's not coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Cause Biggs over here is starving.
Yes, sir. I need 3 pieces.
And crying. The whole time he was over here crying, yo, when's the food gonna be ready? When's the food gonna
Yeah, right.
Alright, so we're gonna get them off and get them cut up. World boss, I gotta deal with the
Yeah,
food them, you know, cause people say the truth, I don't wanna deal with that part, you know.
Che, move that up.
Bumbuckler.
Bix.
People. Make a wrong move because spoil up the table, you know, so. Fix up the drawing board. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I say Biggs, that's how you go.
Yes, sir. Make sure to be subscribed if you want to be in the giveaway.
Only with that one.
Eh?
Only with that and jump.
Oh, I don't have time for that, no, relax. Why do you think put on gloves, Joe? Yeah, take off them then. Kaya wait till I chop up now. Look on it, my people. Fully soaked, not dry, it's juicy. Right. That's what we're talking about right here.
Yes, sir.
Good quality jerk chicken. Not giving you no dry out chicken. Yeah, when you choke. We're not depend that. You're good quality chicken. For all of the G them who like breast. See it there, you know.
Breast is
Give me the chance for me nibble the breast and active. I say who like wing who want go fly. We chop up one wing there.
They go to like butter.
I wonder how this chicken I cut up so soft. That's so bad. Good. Active my people. When you see how this pretty, you know, man, you know it's not normal, you know, right? Look at that. Leg quarter cut so easy, you know.
Yo, my mouth is watering right now.
Active. You know that for go on? That for go on, you know, my father. Alright, my people, so we're gonna get this cut up and we go get in there. So stay tuned, watch what go on.
Alright people, we are going out with the yellow yam, you know. Too far for our grill right now, we are going to peel up it. Make sure it's solid. So it'll look right, people.
Yes, sir.
You see we back them, I got to throw some skin up in it.
Huh?
Peel it on the side, yes.
Nah man, so I'm back up.
It's hot. A plastic.
Yo, it's a plastic that's tougher than tough. Peel the shit on the side and then we gotta clean that shit up. Yo, drop that bag.
Alright. Man, say one clean up and done, people. Yeah, man. Fire.
Oh, wow, chicken on a plastic bag. Chicken on that soap. Peel and drop them on it. Both the way, so.
Black.
So you must steam. Yeah, youth.
Steam up.
Looking good. Where's the bigs?
Really big.
You ready for going right?
Bro, I'm so hungry, bro.
And I was trying to do it on Juka style and put some onion and vinegar on it. Mad thing.
Anything or anything.
Hot.
Oh, that. If we steam, we are come out there, say that.
Alright, my people, so we'll get them a peel up and check back in when we have to consume.
Yes, sir. Food is almost ready.
I gotta store that pasta for me there.
Just waiting on this bad boy right here.
Alright, people. We have a white yam. This is the yellow. This is the white yam. That's the yellow yam. And this is the sweet potato right there.
Fire.
Alright, people.
Sir.
Watch it free.
Alright, my people. Everything off of the grill. Look what I want to.
Yes, sir.
Roast yam. Roast sweet potato. We have corn and we have jerk chicken.
Yeah, two type of yam, people. Yellow yam and white yam.
So we're going out and getting to the consuming. So, alright, my people. Active. Look on the plate. Everything off of the grill.
Bro, my plate's empty, bro. What's
The
going
chicken
on?
to the corn to the yam. Everything's off the grill. So,
What happened to my plate?
fuck man up. We gonna go in there. See what I go on. Chicken cool up too long. We take off chicken now. Active though.
Fully roast, people. And fully grilled. There's it. Big. So your plate done already.
Yeah, I need more on my plate. Bombo clap.
People roast I'm active. I'm gonna just eat it straight now. I tip the salt on the plate. And some butter. Roast them with salt and butter.
Grown food, people.
Body sting, literally.
Nice.
Right?
Corn tastes like KFC corn with the butter on it. Nice.
There's a big minute I said, this on here.
I'm occupied. You guys do that talk, I do that eating.
So I eat after that.
Yeah, my people is a nice turnout for the food.
The spice is kicking in.
Eat the corn and pull it down.
Right here.
I eat the potato. Pull down the spice. Going on corn, people.
Yellow yam with little salt and pepper on it.
And people that call you sweet corn, you know. No.
Big joy work out well. Need a second round?
Of course. My plate was empty, bro. This is my plate. It was completely empty.
Yeah, you eat half the plate before the video
That
starts.
doesn't count.
Alright, my people. Food active.
Food turn up.
I hope you all enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and the next one I'm going to be building my garden and doing a cook up still. So remember again, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. And thanks for all the support.
We're almost at 1,000. So we should. We
702, we keep growing.
we're gonna do it before the end of the year, just.
I hope. So, until the next one, my people. Be safe.